Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be pulling a transmission on a Humvee. Well, we need to have to do the flex plate, so the transmission might have to come out. Might have to work it. Just come into my car, grab my toolbox, and we're gonna be straight. Right now, take off the exhaust, and it's weird that they call it a flywheel because it isn't. It's a flex plate, but everyone here calls it a flywheel. And it's kind of stupid and pisses me off. But I'm just taking these bolts out. All right, so this is loose. So now we're just gonna try to work back the bell housing bolts and see if we can enter it from there. That's the plan. I've done this before, it didn't work, but we're gonna try it again. We're gonna dropping it last time. Exhaust is out. Now I just gotta pull back the rear drive shaft. And we're gonna work back the transmission and see if this is gonna work, and then pull the bell housing out.
Check if Debo and Wash are done with that jack that they're using, the yellow one. Yep, appreciate it.
A transmission jack or a regular jack?
Any jack, but the jack they use looks pretty good though.
Okay.
Are you?
All right, I'm just taking a short break working with Hardbuck on this harmonic balancer. He does not need a hug today, but he's currently happy and enjoying his time in the Army.
Because my boy's back.
Because the boy's back. I'm back. Yeah, yesterday I had off because of CQ. That's why there's no video from Sunday or Monday. Today's Tuesday, so it'll be good. Back in the grind, you know, ACUs, you know, gravel. Now we're going in.
Size smaller.
11/16.
Recorded a little freaking wiggly in there, boy.
Wiggly boy.
Yeah, it works.
Cool.
Soldier.
These are the toolboxes. I need my own tools because no one has a full toolbox. Wow. Right now, taking off rear drive shaft. And
I need a size 8 wrench, bro.
A wrench? I don't have a wrench. Actually, I might. Let me go look.
I mean, the socket helps, but the thing is the drive shaft's too single.
What if you use a extension?
Yeah, even though, because just the universal joint and the socket, like, once I take out the screw, it kind of hits the body of the drive shaft.
Okay. Yeah, I'll go grab it.
Appreciate it. Hell yeah.
Cool. Alright, so we still have to take out this mount, probably from here. And I don't know, I don't want to take this off, so fuck it. I could just leave it. It is what it is. But we're gonna have to take this off and then disconnect the bell housing bolts and then slide this shit back. We should be good. Yeah. No, I'm just fucking.
It'll probably be like pumped up. Fucking
Bro, who the fuck put this on?
Yo, put that on!
Wait, what are you trying to do?
What are you doing? Trying to drain the oil?
You guys don't want to drain the, you guys don't do an oil change real quick?
Why would we do an oil change?
Why not? It's not gonna start leaking if I crack it.
I mean, it might.
What?
You sure it's not? I'm pretty sure it is.
Bro, whoever put that thing on there is a fucking madman.
They never changed the oil.
Dude, that thing is fucking on there.
Probably an oil pan.
They don't do oil changes in the Army.
Not here. My old unit we did.
I've done 2 oil changes.
Because you guys had 2 fucking Humvees.
What are you talking about? We worked on LHSs, bro. It's way bigger than a Humvee.
He's acting like this unit has a lot of Humvees.
Huh?
He's acting like this unit has a lot of Humvees.
For real.
No, we have a small motor pool.
This motor pool is fucking tiny.
It is really tiny. One's back in Korea, like 3 times the size.
Mine and Korea was small, and this made way more fucking Humvees in this place, bro. We shouldn't have like the Matt V's.
I say we have the, like my old unit, we had the same amount of Humvees, but we had a fuckload of LHSs and then LMTVs.
The fuck's that noise?
It's the oil thing.
Why is it doing that?
The sensor.
So there's 2 things that are supporting this right now. It's that flywheel, and it's
big
this.
ass ego.
I really don't think you're gonna be able to push that back and loosen it.
We're supposed to do a whole fucking trans at this point.
That's what we did.
Yeah, dude, it's better option to do the fucking trans. Because the trans is gonna have to come down anyways.
Me and Debo, we pulled the
detach
trans
all the
down.
lines.
No, well, they want us to pull it down or pull it back first and try to do it that way, but
I mean, we can.
it's just
You
stupid.
just gotta put a jack here and maybe a jack here. And then, that's the first time Craft's not getting smoked. Bro, are you recording?
Yeah.
Fucking asshole.
What? I wonder what he did.
Me too.
Is that Harbaugh?
I think it is. Anyways, let's
I think
focus
he
on the
needs a
job.
hug.
Someone was really mad, that's for sure. Anyways, if there's a flat surface here, would it really hold? That's the question.
So we want this to come down a little bit because
Yeah.
it's gonna hit the exhaust.
Yeah, so one down a little bit and then back.
Yeah. So you might have to take out that cross thing.
Yeah, exactly. But if I take this out, this is when it's gonna start wobbling. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
Because remember, it was
So
this and
we
that
only
was
need a
pointed.
jack on the rear. Just use a tranny jack on the rear.
Yeah, but we need the front as well.
For what?
Because we're detaching it, aren't we?
No. They want us to loosen the bell housing bolts and slide it back.
Yeah, which is at the top, right?
Yes. All the bell housing, yes, in the front.
Yeah, because the main point here is to basically detach this like 6 inches out. So the entire transmission has to move to the rear 6 inches.
Yeah, it's not gonna do 6 inches though. Those bell housing bolts aren't even that long. It'll come out like 2 or 3. And you're gonna have to reach your hand in there and turn them.
Oh yeah, so yeah, we can take out the bolts. But the point is that we're changing the flywheel, right?
Yes.
But we can't, you take out the housing bolts, but how are you gonna take out the flywheel?
Flywheel should just slide down.
Are you
Cause you
serious?
have to unbolt the flex plate in the middle.
Oh yeah, exactly, that's why we have to detach it, right?
Yeah, we're gonna detach it, but they want us to just slide it back.
Who said that?
Sergeant Kassoon.
Oh, just
That's the way he wants us to do it.
is he gonna do it with us?
I don't know. We'll use a E5, so probably not. I wonder what Harbaugh did. I'm gonna go ask him.
Dude, don't get in their business for now.
What?
Don't get in that business for now, else you get caught in.
No, Harbaugh could tell me.
Oh yeah, you can. It's always with them. When he comes here.
That's exactly
Alright, Harbaugh, you want a hug?
No.
Shut the fuck up. You just...
Go fucking babysit Kraus.
Where is he?
He's getting the coolant. He's
Oh
got it
my
right
god.
there.
Alright, I gotta go watch one burp coolant because fucking mechanics are not real mechanics. Alright, so very oily. But we're on lunch. So I have beef teriyaki healthy choice. This shit's fire. Just wanna cook this up and then probably have a little snack with it. I have a Nutter Butter, so and them shits is fire. So that's for lunch. Also, I have some pumpkin spice coffee, cold brew, to go with it. Stock, cold brew, pumpkin. It was on sale, so I got it. Even though we're not in the pumpkin season, but it's cool. It's whatever. Yeah, man. Hey, hold on.
Those work really good though.
You guys want to get us shut down?
DPW down here.
You know, I'm kind of craving is Chinese food. I gotta pick up my Dress Blues. Throw us out. I got a big splinter in my finger. But it's like 4 o'clock. We're starting to clean up for the day. It's nice out, honestly. It's like not so windy, like 30 degrees. I love that feeling in my lungs. Like the ice cold in my lungs feels good, honestly. Who touched the shit? Oh my! Wait. What the fuck? Wait. That was an authentic reaction? What the fuck? What the fuck? What is this for? Well, this is obviously a fog light, but for what? Someone ate this shit. I gotta show Debo when he comes out. He's drippy, bro. That was like, what the fuck? I'm so gay, I can't even drive straight. Hi, I am gay. The gayest ride in town. Warning, the driver is gay. What is it? What does the front say?
Not gay.
Not gay. Guys, we just got some Taco Bell. Mad red right here on Taco Bell. I'm closing out the day. This is yours. Bean 5-layer. Yeah. I think I had. Yeah, you had 2. I don't think you got a Chulupa. Oh yeah, there is a Chulupa. Yeah, bro. Got you, family.
There's all black on us right now. Yeah, this shit goes on that side too. That's not like the fuck.
How far maybe that will go?
It's not that far. Literally have it on jack stand.
Well, where's that bracket go? Where does this go?
That one goes on. It goes on this fucking thing. I don't know which way this fucking thing goes.
It's very different pieces.
Yeah, dude. I was like, that's what I was like. I was like, I have to go people. I was like, I just need to.
Fuck, that's why I was trying to cross it, because it's like in the frame of the vehicle. It's really weird too how it's designed like that.
Look at this thing, dude. This thing is fucking sick. I don't give a fuck. Oh, they're talking shit. All you motherfuckers talking shit. I'd rather drive this thing more than like anything in the fucking parking lot right now. I think it's dope.
Get the JBLs and then you can get. That's basically the one you got in the truck right now.
You just leave the one I got.
Oh, excellent. You should get this one. Ask a blue shirt about our free in-car consolation. I don't know what that says. Consolation? What is it? What's that mean? DNI? Do not intertwine. I don't know what that means. Bro, you need a 6'7", a 6'38", right? Or a 6'34", right? Is it this size? 6'34", we'll do kicker. The red ones, because they look sick. Oh no, these are the oval ones, I think. Oh, all these are ovals. Yeah, wait, do you have the sizes on your phone?
They're all 6.
Oh, like 6'9". This is 6.5. So so this is a circle. So it's gonna be 6.5, and then like the 6 by 9 is going to be like an oval because it's 6 inches by 9 inches.
I got the pictures right here. I also got the pictures you gave.
I think the best thing about these phones is they have built-in 5-star urgent response. So because everyone that holds these is like fucking dying. Bro, you don't need kicker, bro. Just go like Pioneer or some shit. Why does this turbo look so small? This Honda City looks mad fucking small.